Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to assign online testing to your students once your test is already created. So I'm already logged in as you. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Aware. Once tests have been created, you'll see a little blue exclamation up top that says Test Available. You will click on that, and then you'll search for your test. I haven't moved it to a teen test, so right now you have it as my teacher test, and that's okay. I'll fix the other part later. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the blue arrow by the test you want to give. Then you have to look at which class periods are going to take this test. So I'm going to check by period 1, period 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then down here at the bottom, you'll see a button that says Start Online Testing, and you'll push Start. So that's it. That assigns it to your kids. Then all they will have to do now is go to the district website, Eduphoria website, to log in with their login information. If you have any more questions, just let me know.